Igbo bi Igbo. Osubirila Okwagwa Anioma State is coming, and Senator Godswill Akpabio have just confirmed that Anioma State is coming. Anioma State is going to be the 6th Southeast state. Just watch.
Delta, let me tell you how it will be. For Anioma State, the capital will be in Asaba. And then for Delta State proper, the capital will be in Warri. So it's not a problem. We should be afraid because the more states we have, the more the development. So assuming it passes through in the various houses of assemblies, it simply means that we will have one additional state. And that one additional state definitely will also be good and progressive for the southeastern part of Nigeria. May God bless.
Guinea Kangwarono. Anioma State is coming. And don't forget that Igbanke community in Benin will also be joining Anioma State. Anioma State is going to be the 6th Southeast state. And Asaba will be the capital of Anioma. All thanks to Senator Ned Nwoko, because he has been the one who has been pursuing this cause. This is very, very good. It's going to put an end to identity crisis. Southeast will not be called 5 plots of land. We will now be called 6 plots of land. Hey! It's worth celebrating. This is a very beautiful start of Igbo unification. So for our brothers and sisters in Rivers State, Cross River, Bayelsa, Kogi, Benue, don't worry, don't get jealous. Very soon you are going to also join the Southeast. Okay? Because Igbo unification is just getting started. Don't forget, it's your girl, Mwade Forma, the Golden Star Girl, Adane Rukwano, one Igbo Niile Chineke.